Thank you. Safety open. Yeah. Now safety open the doors. 5 minutes. Set Q&H.
Q&H cross. Checked. Passing. 10-300.
Det er checked. Og total descent 4,000 feet blue. Approach checklist.
Yes, briefing.
Confirmed.
Ecom status.
Checked.
Seatbelts.
On.
Barrier F.
Og 977 set.
977 set. Minimum.
485 set.
485 set. Engine mode selector.
Normal.
Terrain on empty.
Both
On
and
now.
side.
Approach checklist complete. Flight level 100.
Go ahead.
Lights, belts, constraints. Og GPS primary har vi alt tjekket. Yes sir, sådan der. Og flight level status of flight level 100. Procedure complete.
Thank you. Se, hvad har vi derude? Det er sådan... Ja.
Og 5 marker, så kan vi begynde at se ud til Middelbo igen. Så vi har fået op på en sigt på små 5 kilometer nu.
Perfekt, Fairline 455. Ja, fint nok, så var det sådan en let by.
Ja.
Så er sigten op omkring de 15 kilometer. Jeg kan se koldtur herfra nu.
Det er copy, der wind check for tærskel 30.
Ja, 16 only 2 knots.
Okay, copy, tak.
Yes, vi kan godt være der med de andre. Speed is checked. Flap 1.
Og den går over mod at være winds calm nu.
Yes, det er fint nu.
Flap 2.
Speed checked. Flap 2.
Final up.
And 455 just received your new runway inspection.
Yeah, we are passing the VIP. Go ahead.
And 100% of the runway covered with less than 1 millimeter wet snow. Braking action figures runway 30, 66, 78 and 74.
Perfect, Fairline 455. 8.5 miles now.
Okay, and the wind is 210, only 2 knots, runway free.
Runway free, Fairline 455.
Check runway free.
Yes. Yes.
Get down.
Kom her nu. Gear down. Og runway is free. Godt. Der er ikke noget byværk at se nu, så jeg tager en terrain on.
Tak. Checked. Oh, selected speed.
Checked.
150.
Checked.
Flat 3.
Speed checked. Flap 3.
Flap full.
Speed is checked.
Landing checklist.
Flap full. Vil du have engine anti-ice off?
Ja.
Landing checklist.
The wind is still 210, only 2 knots.
455. Cabin crew.
Advised.
Auto thrust.
Speed.
Auto brake.
Medium.
ECA memo.
Der er landing with no blue.
Landing checklist complete.
Thank you. And manage speed.
Checked.
Ja, der er cirka en 8 knops tailwind der.
Yes, ground speed is 138, så det er okay, du.
Check.
Yeah.
So very nice.
Yes. Har der det der 1000 per minut, ground speed 140.
Manual.
Checked. Oh, 1100 feet per minute, box speed 40%. 900 per minute.
100 above.
800.
Checked.
900. 1000.
Continue.
Ground speed 141. 800 per minute. 800. 800.
30, 20, retard, retard, retard.
Spoilers, reverse green, out diesel. $70.
Good braking action.
Five on ground, 57.
455.
And after landing checklist.
Yes. Flaps,
Retractor.
spoilers,
Disarmed.
APU,
Start.
radar,
Is off.
predictive windshield system,
Off.
after landing checklist completes.
Okay.
Let's go.
Jaha!
Ja, det var fint.
Lights and strobes off.
Lights and strobes are off.
Taxi light and runway turn off light off.
The lights are off. Clear to the right.
APU bleed on.
Bleed on.
Parking brake on. Then 2, 1. Disarm the slides. safe to open.
Yes.
Parking checklist.
APO bleed. On engines. Off seatbelts. Off exterior lights. Set. Fuel pumps. Off. Park brake and shocks.
Park brake on.
Consider heavy rain.